Alright. Hello and welcome to the Blueprint News Network. I am Alison Goulding. The DGS Winter Art Show will showcase work of students in art classes. They've been working on these projects all semester. Senior Andrew O'Connor is one of these students. He is currently in Photography 1, making this his first art show.
I'm excited, honestly. I'm really proud of some of the work that I've done, and so I'm excited that I can put my creative self out there in some way.
Unlike O'Connor, teacher Catherine O'Truck has been doing the art show for over 4 years. She talks about the art show from a teacher's perspective.
Everybody hopefully puts in at least one thing. If you're in the advanced class, I ask people to put in 2 or 3 things because they make more. So we usually mat and tag stuff all throughout the semester, so there's not too much to do right at the end of the year. But
Both O'Connor and O'Truck think the art show is a valuable part of our school. They talk about why they believe this is so.
I think it's a cool way to show off all the artwork that students have been doing. So we put some stuff up in the display cases, but not everybody walks by the B hallway. Not everybody looks at what they're doing when they're walking by the cases, and we can't fit everybody's artwork in the display cases. So the art show is a cool way just to show off everything. I think every student makes art that's valuable, that deserves to be seen. So this is a big show that gives everybody that opportunity, because not every show can be this big and can show everybody off. So it's nice for everybody to feel seen.
It shows a lot of the diversity at this school, because not a single person, even in the classroom, thinks alike. And even with the projects, people come up with wildly different ideas or takes on a single lighting style, let's say. People are super creative, and I love seeing what they can come up with.